This is episode 2 of me starting a brand new Instagram account from scratch and trying to get it to 20,000 followers and getting it to a point where I'm making money on the page. And let me give you guys a little hit. We got to 15,000 followers in just 10 days. So you might want to stay tuned. What it do, hustlers? It's your boy Drell here, coming at you with another video today. BAC, how y'all doing today? I hope you guys are looking good, feeling good, smelling good, cause I know I am. Today is episode 2 of me starting a brand new Instagram account from scratch. Now if you haven't seen episode 1 yet, let me take you on a trip down memory lane.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky.
So in episode 1, I started a brand new account and I named it Black Success Club. I went ahead and edited the bio, I made the logo for it, and I started posting on the page. And then after that, I went into some ways that I would be actually growing the page, which would be the follow for follow method, hashtags, and shoutouts from bigger pages. And that brings us to where we are today in episode 2. Now, it is currently May 1st, so I started the page about 11 days ago, and we got to 15,000 followers. Now, if you wanted to know how I got to 15,000 followers, I'm gonna get into that a little bit later in this video. So this is how the video is gonna go. I'm gonna show you guys the update on the page. I'm gonna show you guys how I got to 15,000 followers, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I plan on monetizing the page. Now, before we get into that, make sure that you drop a like on the video. It only takes 2 seconds, and it really helps out the channel. And make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Now, let's get into part 1, which is reviewing the page. All right, so as you can see on the page right now, I'm currently at 15.8K followers. Hey, y'all gotta start putting some respect on my name. I really do this. I really do this. I really do this, man. I really be growing these accounts. Y'all be thinking I'm playing. Yeah, I gotta put some respect on my name. I got 50 posts. I'm following 2 people. And yeah, man, it's just been crazy. It's been crazy. Like, some of the posts are starting to get a lot of likes as well. So it's not fake followers. I know a lot of people be like, yo, you bought followers and everything like that. No, I didn't buy any followers. I'm gonna show you guys how I got to 15,000 followers in just a second. But as you can see, even if you go to the likes on the photos, you can see that they're all real people. There's no fake accounts or anything like that. So there's no way that I could have bought these followers and them still like my photos and everything like that. And even if you go to the comment section, there's real people in the comment section as well. So didn't buy the followers. I grew the account legitly. But as you can see, this post right here got 3,000 likes on it, and I posted it yesterday. This post right here, 2,200 likes. But yeah, I just been posting on the page. One thing that I did do, I changed the logo up. I wanted it to be black and blue instead of black and yellow. I believe last video it was black and yellow, but it's black and blue now. And someone actually made this logo for me. I'm gonna drop his Instagram on the video right here, so you can message him if you want a custom logo made. He made it for me, and he also been making my content for the page. So if you see this photo right here, he made this post for me. This video right here, he made this video for me as well. It got 3,700 views. This video, he made it for me. So yeah, that's basically the update for the page. I'm currently at 15.8K, and if I scroll all the way down, I started April 21st. So it's only been about 11 days since I started the page, and it's been taking off, man. It's been taking off, especially the last couple days. It's been taking off. Now, I know a lot of you guys are wondering, how did you actually do that? So let me get into that right now. So the first way that I did this and I grew the account so fast is using hashtags. So I'm gonna throw up a little screenshot right here of me showing you my last post on the page. And as you can see on that post, it got over 1,000 impressions from hashtags. So hashtags are extremely important when you're trying to grow a page, because they allow you to get seen by new people. So what you wanna do with hashtags is you just wanna find hashtags related to whatever you're posting about. So if you look on the photo and you see the hashtags, they're related to each other. So it's all about black success, black entrepreneurs, and everything like that. So whenever you're posting a photo, make sure you add at least 10 hashtags to it, And for the hashtags, I recommend you doing under 500K. If you're a smaller page, you don't want to be going for hashtags with 1 million plus posts under that hashtag, because it's way too competitive and you won't get that many views from it. So go for hashtags under 500K and you should be good. You should get more impressions to your page, and you should get more people following your page just from hashtags alone. Now the second way that I grew this page is through the follow for follow method. So this is how I started off. This is how I got my first like 200 followers on the page. I went to similar pages to mine, and then I just followed the people that liked that photo. So what I would do is I would turn on the post notifications for that post, and as soon as they posted a new photo, I would go to that photo, see who liked the photo, and I will follow the people that liked the photo. Now the reason why this works so well is one, because they're on Instagram at the time being, so they're gonna see you follow them, and two is because you got a similar page to the page that you just went on, so chances are they'll like your content as well, so they'll follow you back. Now the third way that I grew my page is paying for shoutouts from bigger pages. So for this one, I'm gonna hop back into my phone because this one, it grew my account the fastest and it got me the most results. All right, so I'm back on my phone and I'm gonna just go to the tag section, right? So I got 2 of these posts up right now, and for shoutouts, I dropped over $100 on shoutouts. 100 plus on shoutouts. Drell, what is you doing? You just out here spending my money like that, huh? And you just said it so casual, like we got $100 to spend. No wonder why we going broke now. You doing things like this. I know you wanted the followers, but god dang, I'm hurt. But let's get back to the video. Now I only got 2 of these up, but some of them already expired and some of them they got taken down. So for this one, right, as you can see, it got 723 likes, and these pages right here, so let's see how many followers this page had. This page had 15,000 followers on it, and if I scroll down, you can see my post right here. So yeah, this one got me a decent amount of followers, and let me go to my other one that's still up. So this one, this was 2 days ago, right? So this one got 1,000 likes on it, and as you can see the caption, let me scroll down, where's it at? Where's it at? Right here. So you can see the caption, it says, I need everyone to go follow Black Success Club now, right? So that just telling people to go follow my new page, and I pay for this shout out as well. So this one, I believe it cost me, I'm not sure how much it cost me, I forgot, but like I said, I dropped over $100 on shout outs all together just from bigger pages. So that's what you want to do. You want to go to bigger pages in your niche and pay for shoutouts. That's the fastest way to grow, man. I'm telling you, like I went from 200 followers to over 15,000 followers in a matter of days just from paying for shoutouts. Alright, so now it's time to get into the money part. How to make money on Instagram. As you can see, I turned the lights green for the money, you know. It's time to get to the bag. It's time to make this Wi-Fi bread. So the first way that I plan on making money from the page is through shoutouts. So I had a couple people reach out to me on Instagram already asking for shoutouts. Actually, let me tell you guys it's on my phone so I can actually show you guys. Alright, so I'm in my DMs right now on the brand new page, and let me show you guys an example of this. So, alright, so here's one right here. This is a good example. It says, what are your promo/sponsorship rates? Now I could charge whatever I want. So being that I only have about 15,000 followers, I will only charge about $15 for a 24-hour post on the page. Now for my Black Hustlers Club, that's a whole different story because I have like 120,000 followers on that page. So I could charge like $50 for that, $60 for a 24-hour post on the page. But for this one, like I said, I will only charge like $10 to $15 for a 24-hour post on the page. And here's another example right here of someone asking for promos. So they coming in, man. They starting to come in. So you can see how this will add up over time. If you do one promo a day for $15, times that by 7, you know, I ain't good at math, but you know, that's almost $100 a week just from promos. And this will grow over time as well, because as you grow more followers, you can charge more. So let's say you get to 20,000 followers, you can start charging $20 for a 24-hour post, and then you times that by 7, and that's $140 a week. There you go, just from promos, just from posting other people's content on your page. Now the second way that I plan on making money from the page is either doing an online store or affiliate marketing. So for the online store route, this will either be some physical products, or I might start selling merch. Like as you guys know, I got the Black Hustlers Club tees, but I haven't dropped them yet. So I might start selling those shirts on that page, or I might make some custom ones for that page in particular. So for the affiliate marketing route, this would be more digital products, right? So I could go on ClickBank, they got JVZoo, do some affiliate marketing with some stock investing apps like Robinhood, Webull, they got Acorns. I could do some affiliate marketing with those as well. So those are some ways that I plan on monetizing the account and getting some money. So make sure that you stay tuned for episode 3. But hey, I just wanted you guys to know, like, if you've been struggling to grow your accounts, keep going. I've been doing this for like 3 years, so don't look at me and get discouraged because you see me blow up that account so fast. or you see my other account with 100,000 followers on it. I've been doing this for years, so that's why I've been able to grow them so efficiently. So if you're just starting out, man, do not look at me and get discouraged. Like, yo, just keep going. Like, even with me, I had the same problem when I first started off. It was hard for me as well. So I understand where you're coming from, but just keep pushing, man, and eventually you will break through and you will start to blow up. But that's all I have for today's video, man. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you found it valuable. If you did, drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below any questions you have, or you can DM me on Instagram at Black Hustlers Club. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and join BHC. But I'm out, bro. I'll see you guys in the next video.